we are preparing mutton for tomorrow. We have a plan with the friends to go out in the park and prepare a dinner, inshallah. And I'm using some spices for the mutton.
Hold me tighter, this dynamic says it all. You're the curator and I'm your animal.
I'm using some pickles in this and
Feel like I'm sinking underwater. Feel like I'm going over the falls. My mind spins faster and faster. My heart is bursting through the wall. And just for once I wish we'd stop and smell the roses, instead of dreaming of things we miss. Elysian fields could be right under our noses, and rapture at our fingertips. These confessions of dejection and despair.
hi guys, welcome back. And today once again we came to the beautiful park, so we are planning to go for a swimming. We have just finished the Friday prayer, and there are my colleagues who are working with me. They came with me also, and let's get you in the swimming pool. But before we approach to the swimming pool, we are planning to have our lunch, and then swimming pool, then evening we are going to prepare our barbecue, inshallah. What I've prepared from the house, the mutton. And let's catch you for the lunch, guys. Thank you so much once again, everyone, for your likes and your comments on the channel, for following my channel, and your full support, guys. Thank you so much once again, everyone. Yes, my goodness. Yes, we are moving for swimming. This is male and female. 10 dirham is the ticket. Guys, ice cooler and things are with us, and we are going to swim for some time, and we are going to move back, inshallah. So let's have a beautiful swim, guys. It's a very beautiful park.
Just for once I wish we'd stop and smell the roses, instead of dreaming of things fingertips. Feel like I'm going over the falls.
Guys, we have done with the swimming, and we are moving towards the place where we'll make the barbecue. And mutton is there, and we are going to cook it. We're going to prepare the charcoal. Evening we are going to explore the park a bit. It's a very beautiful place, and please do watch the full video, guys. Shazan Shanaikam. Just keep them there, yeah?
Love it, Jordan.
Familiar skies and
गाइस आप देख सकते हैं हमारे टीम लीडर हमारे लिए भरपूर सुविधा रख रखी है। हमारे टीम लीडर देखिए बढ़िया करके आज बेहतरीन हमारे लिए सुख सुविधा सब अनुकूल सुख सुविधा रख रखी है। देखिए अब हमारी चिकन जाने वाला है अंदर। आप देख
Guys, we have 55 minutes, then we are going to rotate the phase and we'll keep it for 55 minutes. Then we are going to have our food, which has been prepared from the morning. It's the mutton. Let's see how it's cooked today, yeah? Ahmad, Pandey, Sher Khan. Guys, Pandey and Sheikhs are here. They're working with me and we came out for a beautiful lunch and dinner together, yeah? I'm going to change the phase of this. We're going to keep it for 1 hour more. 1 hour more.
Burada dari, kaç şey tu da stegmati. Технология.
Guys, we have done our lunch and dinner together and we have prepared a coffee. Thank you so much for watching the full video, guys. Appreciate it, everyone. Pandey is here, Sher Khan is here, Murad is here, and the party is